I better not ruin it. I'm gonna really try hard to make sure it's on there. How hard do you wrench these back on?
Hand tight is all they need to be. Get off.
Oh, I don't want to do that. The luxury of having little girl hands. So I have a master's degree in figuring stuff out, but I also have a YouTube master's degree where I learned how to do all this stuff. Okay, so here's how the whole thing started. I was just driving around like I do, handing out business cards, just cold walking into places, dealerships, shops, wherever, quietly hoping someone would care. I make documentary style video content about bikes, cars, builds, and the people behind them. I'm self-taught. Everything I know about mechanics, I figured it out by doing it wrong first. I wasn't looking for anything big that day. I was just showing up, which is kind of my whole thing. You show up enough times to a places and eventually something opens up. And then I drove past this sign, Rolling Thunder. And I almost kept driving, and I don't even know why I didn't. I'm Nicole. I just was out wandering the streets and trying to introduce myself. I have a YouTube channel. I just wanted to hand my business card to you and introduce myself and just say hi.
What kind of content?
He didn't say a lot, and I've learned the hard way that when somebody goes quiet like Paco, you listen. I told him what I was thinking. I was thinking about doing a series, me coming into the shop, learning the work, and being completely honest about what I don't know. His shop, his world, his rules. That's Paco back there. Paco, your rules, right?
My rules.
I told him I was self-taught and that I came from cars, not bikes. And then I told him that the people that are watching this are going to be rooting for both of us. Promise you. Because that's what happens when the story is real. He said, yes! He's doing great. I didn't cry in the parking lot. Okay, maybe a little. So I asked Paco what it means to do his work right. Because on a motorcycle, the stakes are a little different than a car.
Safety is the main concern. Well, on a motorcycle, you only have two wheels. You got to do it right. There's no room for error. You could die.
So I asked Paco, what's your advice for someone wanting to open their own shop? Yeah, this is what he said.
Good luck. You're married to your business. You're here 60, 70 hours a week.
But then he told me the real reason he started Rolling Thunder. And honestly, it's exactly why I trust him.
Desire to do better. Have a better place to take bikes, quality work at a better price.
And just like that, Rolling Thunder reminded us both who's actually in charge here.
Yes, ma'am.
This is like a different caliber for sure.
Safety first.
And last.
Today we are going to do a 3-hole service on a twin cam motorcycle.
Okay. And I know enough to know that I don't know enough, which I think is actually the best place to start. So I'm ready.
5/8 wrench. Actually, 5/8 socket.
Socket on a ratchet.
A ratchet.
Yeah.
But we have 3. We have a primary, an engine oil, and a transmission oil.
How am I supposed to wrench that?
It'll be smarter than the wrench.
Okay, lefty loosey.
Yep.
Tighty righty.
That one's on that good and snug. There you got her. I hope it goes in the pan. Otherwise, our next lesson will be on cleanup.
I've done this with cars before, so I know it kind of goes a little bit far sometimes. Oh, this one doesn't.
Let's drop the primary oil.
Okay, that would be right here.
That would be right there.
All right. Is it going the right way?
Mm-hmm.
You sure?
You tell me.
Lefty loosey tighty. Yep, it is. This one's a little bit harder to get to, huh?
This one's a little bit harder to see.
I'm afraid this thing is going to tip over.
It's not going to tip over.
Okay, I don't want to bust my knuckles. Hands.
Hands. Now we're going to go after the oil filter.
Okay, it's on. It's such a pretty little oil filter cover. You don't want to ruin that, right? How much would that cost you? How hard do you wrench these back on?
Hand tight.
Take it off?
Take it off.
Oh, I don't want to do that.
Pull your ratchet out. There you go.
And then pull that out.
Yep.
Okay.
And the rest come off my hand.
This is my life now. The luxury of having little girl hands.
Here's the new filter here, but we'll let it drain before
They gotta be pretty freaking expensive.
Open it up.
So you could just wrench the shit out of those then.
Yes.
Why didn't you say something? Oh, it's so pretty. So this is how it's done, folks. Paco Taco's teaching me. Just pull it off like that. Where do you put the old ones?
Trash can right behind you.
No.
That way they don't get mixed up.
Thank you. Is that a bird's nest?
That's a mouse nest.
Ooh. That's a pretty nasty nest. Just one layer or
No,
two?
the other way.
Shut up, really? It's like I've never done this before. Hold on, let me make sure that's right. I believe you. I just got... Yeah, you're right. Okay, got it.
What'd you say?
You're right. I'll never say that again. Come on, I can't get it on. I got fingernails. I need to cut these nails if I'm going to be doing this stuff, right? I can't have pretty girly nails anymore.
And don't stick the poker in your finger, it hurts.
Okay. Well, will do, not do. How long does it take you to do these? A lot less time than this?
Maybe a minute or so less.
Here's the hardest part is trying to figure out which way to put it on the right way. And so
always have it in your right hand.
So just
have it in your right. Nope.
Don't tell me if I'm doing it wrong. Is that the way? Okay, tell me now.
I would switch hands.
What do you mean?
Put the plug in your other hand.
Like this?
Yep.
Okay.
Now wrap it.
Like that?
Yep.
Is it the right way now,
Yep.
though? How do you know that? From just looking at it, like you just need to use your brain a little bit.
We'll go with that.
Okay. You're the boss. It's just like working on a car. Easy.
Swear at me like that.
Hold on, let me think about this for a minute. This way? Hold on. Don't tell me. No, other way. Right?
Mm-hmm.
See? I picked up on that quick, huh? No comment?
Sharp like a spoon, you are.
Mm-hmm. And I got the O-ring on there. It's all cleaned up, and all three of them are done. Bam.
Perfect.
Bambo. So you would have to be a really big dummy to screw this up.
Pay your basic attention to the basic details.
Your basic attention. So that was day one. I got greasy, I got corrected, and even a tiny bit humbled, which for the record, I needed. Here's the thing about Paco that he doesn't fully understand yet, is that he's exactly the person that I needed right now. He's somebody that doesn't just hand you something. He's someone who makes you prove it. I've spent my whole life in rooms that I don't belong in and that weren't built for me. And I just keep walking in anyway. This room is gonna be a lot different. I can feel it. And I'm gonna have to earn my place here. I'm Nicole from Know How TV. I make the stories behind the build about the people, and these are the stories behind the machine. And starting right now, I am one of those stories. This is Rolling Thunder. This is Paco's shop, and we're just getting started. Make sure you guys subscribe, come back, because you're not gonna wanna miss this. That was a good dance.